Okay, today we are at the Jordan waterfalls, and I was wondering if it would still be flowing, even though it's the winter. And you could probably hear it flowing right now. You can see, you might not be able to see that water moving, but under the ice, the waterfalls are still flowing. You can see down here, there is some rushing water right here, and it's pretty cool. Under the ice, of course. And here, let's go over. And get down. This is a more risky version, but quicker than going all the way around. You can see up closer, flowing water. And it's pretty beautiful. Over here there's some torn open fish. There's one closer over here, but I'm not going to show that as I do not want to get my video taken down by YouTube. It's pretty cool. Beautiful day outside, even though it's kind of chilly and misty and frosty. But thanks for watching this video. It's just a little bit of like outside stuff. There's a lot more like torn open fish. I think that the birds have been eating them, but have a good day to y'all. Yeah, bye.